Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the microphone board. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the microphone board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Place the microphone board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the microphone board from the static dissipative bag. Place the microphone board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the microphone board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the microphone board. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.